How do I share a file or photo on Telegram?
Hello, everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to share a file or a photo on Telegram. It's a quick and easy process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to share files and photos with your contacts seamlessly.
What is Telegram?
Telegram is a popular messaging app that allows you to send texts, voice messages, and multimedia like photos, videos, and other files. It's loved for its speed, security, and simplicity. Now let's dive right into how you can share a file or photo on Telegram.
How to share a photo on Telegram?
Sharing photos on Telegram is quite simple. Here are the steps. 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. 2. Navigate to the chat where you want to share the photo. 3. Tap on the paperclip icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of your chat window. 4. From the options that appear, select Gallery or Photo. 5. Select the photo you want to share. You can choose one or multiple photos. 6. After selecting, tap on the Send button. And there you go. You've just shared a photo on Telegram.
How to share a file on Telegram?
Sharing files on Telegram is also pretty straightforward. 1. Open the Telegram app. 2. Navigate to the chat where you want to share the file. 3. Tap on the paperclip icon in the bottom right corner of your chat window. 4. This time, select File from the options that appear. 5. Browse your device and select the file you wish to send. 6. Once you have chosen your file, tap on the Send button. You've successfully sent a file on Telegram. As you can see, sharing photos and files on Telegram is a simple process. Whether it's sharing memories through photos or sending important documents, Telegram has got you covered. We hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Happy sharing on Telegram!